How to fix Teams meeting link not showing in Outlook. So here I am in the Outlook application. So from here, if the Teams meeting link is not showing up right here in your ribbon, we can do some different solutions for it. So from here, we can go to File, go to Options, go to Add-ins, and then here in the Manage, select Com Add-ins and then click Go. From here, make sure that this one, Microsoft Teams Meeting add-in for Microsoft Office, is turned on. So if it is turned off, just click on it to turn it on, then click OK. If you cannot see the Microsoft Teams Meeting add-in right there, you can try to go to Disabled Items, click Go, and if the Microsoft Teams Meeting add-in is here, just select it, click Enable, and then close. From here, you should now have your Microsoft Teams meeting a link right here in your ribbon right away. So if it's still not here, you can try to reset Outlook. So let me exit this and then open Outlook again. And then it should now be here. If it's still not here, what we can do is that we can right click on the ribbon, click customize the ribbon. From here, go to all tabs, open home, and then find Teams right here. From here, select Teams, click add, and then it should now be added right here. Then you can change the placement of that if you want. From here, click OK. And then from here, we should now see the Microsoft Teams add-in right here. So let me go back. I don't think it was added correctly. Let me go back. Let me add Teams. Okay, click OK. From here, it's still not here, so let me try to reset again. And then you can also open Microsoft Teams. From here, you can go to Settings and then make sure that this one is turned on. Register the new Teams as the chat app for Microsoft 365. Then, let me go back to Outlook. And then from here, I am now back in Outlook. Then I can see the Teams link right here. I can now access it. And then if it's still not working, what you can do next is that you can try to repair Outlook. So just go to Control Panel. From here, go to Programs and Features. Type in Microsoft. Then you can see this one. Microsoft 365 and then Microsoft 365 apps for business. So if you're using a personal Microsoft account, you can select Microsoft 365. But if you're using a business Microsoft account, use this one, Microsoft 365 apps for business. From here, click change, click yes, and then you have two options. You have the quick repair and then you have the online repair. So I suggest using the quick repair first because this will fix most issues quickly without using an internet connection. After quick repair, and if it's still having some problems, now you can use online repair. So this will fix all issues, but will take a little longer and requires an internet connection throughout. So from here, just click repair, and then you can just wait for this to finish. So this will take a little while and it will take a couple of minutes. So just wait for that to finish. After that, open Outlook again and you should now have Microsoft Teams link in your ribbon. And then that is it. So that is how we can fix the Microsoft Teams meeting link not showing in Outlook. I hope you learn how to do it. And thank you for watching.